Imagine a world where you could summon a fully autonomous car at the touch of a button. No need to worry about traffic, parking, or even driving yourself. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But this future is closer than you might think, thanks to companies like Tesla. Tesla has been at the forefront of electric vehicle technology for years. Their ambitious goal is to create a fleet of fully autonomous robotaxis that can operate without human intervention. But how much will these futuristic vehicles cost? The cost of innovation. When it comes to new technology, the initial cost is often high. This is especially true for something as complex and groundbreaking as a robotaxi. Tesla has invested billions of dollars in research and development to bring this technology to life. These costs will undoubtedly be passed on to consumers in the form of higher prices. Factors affecting cost. Several factors will influence the final cost of a Tesla robotaxi. These include battery technology. Batteries are a significant component of electric vehicles. As battery technology improves and becomes more efficient, the cost of production will decrease. Manufacturing efficiency. Tesla's manufacturing processes will play a crucial role in determining the final cost. The more efficient they can make their factories, the lower the cost of production will be. Regulatory hurdles. The regulatory landscape for autonomous vehicles is still evolving. Strict regulations can increase costs due to the need for additional safety features and certifications. Competition. The level of competition in the autonomous vehicle market will also impact pricing. If Tesla faces stiff competition from other companies, they may need to lower their prices to remain competitive. Tesla's pricing strategy. While Tesla hasn't officially announced the pricing for their robotaxis, we can make some educated guesses based on their existing pricing strategy for other vehicles. Tesla has historically positioned itself as a premium brand, charging a premium price for its products. It's likely that their robotaxis will follow this trend. Potential pricing models. Tesla might consider several pricing models for their robotaxis. Outright purchase. Customers could purchase a robotaxi outright, similar to buying a traditional car. However, the initial cost would likely be quite high. Subscription service. Tesla could offer a subscription-based model where customers pay a monthly fee to access their robotaxi services. This could make it more affordable for those who don't want to own a vehicle outright. Ride-hailing service. Tesla might also launch a ride-hailing service using their robotaxis. This would allow customers to summon a vehicle on demand without owning one themselves. The future of transportation. Regardless of the final pricing, Tesla's robotaxis have the potential to revolutionize the transportation industry. By reducing the need for personal car ownership, they could help to alleviate traffic congestion, reduce pollution, and improve accessibility for those who are unable to drive. The exact cost of a Tesla robotaxi remains to be seen, but it's clear that they will be a significant investment. However, the potential benefits of this technology are immense. As Tesla continues to develop and refine its autonomous driving capabilities, we can expect to see these vehicles become more affordable and accessible to the general public. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.